Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a linked treble crochet or linked treble crochet. This is a variation of the treble crochet stitch. This will create a more dense fabric with less open space between the stitches, which is useful for projects where you want a less airy result. This stitch can be particularly effective for garments, bags, or any item where a tighter weave is desired. Here is how to work the linked treble crochet stitch. In this video, I'm going to be using a medium yarn weight number 4, a 4mm crochet hook. For this pattern, you can use as many stitches as you need. I'm going to be doing 10 chains in my foundation chain. Do your slip knot and 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that your stitches or your chains are not too tight. To do a linked treble crochet, there's quite a few steps. You're going to go into the second chain from hook. I'm going to be grabbing the top loop that is right there and also the back bump. Into the second chain, pull through. I'm going to go into the third chain, pull through, and also the next stitch, the fourth chain, pull through. Now that we have 4 stitches on our hook, we're going to yarn over into 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and yarn over, go through the last 2. And this is how you do a linked treble crochet. If you notice, which is very important, these are horizontal bars. This is the upper horizontal bar and this is the lower. These are what we're going to be using. We're going to go through them. So into the upper horizontal bar, yarn over, pull through, go into the bottom or lower horizontal bar, yarn over, go through the bar, and we're going to go into our next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now that we have 4 loops, we're going to yarn over, pull through both 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And we continue the same way. Upper bar, lower bar, next stitch. Upper bar, yarn over, pull through the bar, lower bar, yarn over, pull through the bar, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and now we're going to crochet them. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And if you notice, it's easier and easier to find where the bar is, the upper bar and the lower bar. Let's continue. Into the upper bar, yarn over, pull through, into the lower bar, yarn over, pull through, and into our next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to continue like this till the end of our row. Once we're done with our row, this is how it looks like. Now we need to do our next row, which is going to be the exact same thing. You're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Using this chain turn, we're going to go into the second chain, yarn, pull through. We're going to go into the third chain, yarn over, pull through, and now we're going to turn our work. We're going to go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We see the horizontal bars, the upper, the lower, and we continue our pattern. Yarn over, pull through, into the lower bar, yarn over, pull through, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And we continue like this till the end of the row. And you do as many rows as your pattern indicate, or as many as you want. So here is my sample. I've done 4 or 5 rows, and this is how it looks like. This is very pretty. So this is a way that you can actually do long stitches, but there's no holes in them. There's no holes like in the treble crochet. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. See you in the next video.